Yo, what's going on everybody? We back with another one today. Today, this video is going to be sponsored by a new company that I just started getting sponsored by, and this is what it's going to be for. Auxito. These here are the reverse lights. Right now, I don't know if you can see them, but I have like the ones from AutoZone, and they've been good, don't get me wrong, but these definitely look like they're going to be a little bit brighter. And I don't know how good the video is going to be comparing the two because it's about to storm here and I won't be able to make the video tonight. But yeah, ain't much been going on. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these two screws out here. Let me see what size, a T10. Got two screws here. Pop these bad dudes out. And this is going to be a very quick video probably. And then you just give it a nice, what I do is grab it on the side and just give it a pull. You pull straight out. Oh, don't scratch my truck, dummy. Oh, come out there. And then this here, just give it a twist. So this here is the bulb I got now. And they're very good bulbs, don't get me wrong. Let me pull this pop out. Ooh, break my phone, yeah? Okay, so that's that one. Let's get these units out. Let me set the phone down for just a second. Need to get something to hold the phone, like a stand. Come out of there. Oh, first let me show you the number, just in case somebody wants to pick these up. That's the ones right there. But yeah, let me get them out of the package real quick. And I've heard some pretty good reviews on them. The company, that is. So we're gonna see how these do. I know those grill lights and with them light bars that I put up with the animated start, I had to take two of them off because one of them started acting a fool. So now I just got the single row back on there. I tried to contact the company and I didn't get no reply. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna sit here with half the lights working. So here's the bulb. For the focus. Look fairly good, to be honest. So let me pop this thing in and we will see how it does. Let me get in the truck and make sure that it's hopefully I can put this thing in reverse with the parking brake. I don't know if you can with this one. Oh, you can. Nice. Oh, man. Yeah, them things are real nice. That's real nice. Man, this thing stinks. Let me put that back in there and see how it is compared to let's see. Fairly similar, but if you get up close to this one, stupid bright. This one's kind of bright. This one's more of a white. This one's more pure white, if you ask me. It's about to rain, man. It is about to come down. I was gonna do this video tonight, but like, man, I don't want to wait too long. Let me take this thing out of reverse. I don't want the freaking... Okay, truck, I got you. But yeah, I mean, I haven't done anything else to the truck as far as the lights that I put on. I have been looking at some new rims for it. Thinking about going with some chrome rims. Still haven't decided on which ones I want to go with, though. I don't want to be like everybody else and get the same one, so I'm trying to find something that I haven't seen a lot of, which is hard to do. I wished I would have kept my stock rims, to be honest. But that's one thing I want to talk about. New lift is coming soon for this pup. I think I'm gonna go with the 7 to 9 McGores. Oh, come on. actually, to be honest, AutoZone bulbs, I've had no issues out of them. But the only thing is, see, it don't have no bulb facing outwards, so I think that's where these are going to be a lot better. Because, let me pull this one out. Let's show you what I mean by that. Come out here, come out here. Because, see, this one, it has the pointing back, which makes sense being reverse lights. You want them to be pointed behind you. Okay, let me make sure that one's right, because I know some of these bulbs are, you gotta have the polarity right, or whatever it's called. Let me see. Man, look how bright that is. That is crazy. And that, I mean, it's daylight right now, and that's that bright. That is crazy. So yeah, let me take it out of reverse before I forget. Truck takes off rolling backwards and hits the work van, and we don't want to do all that. But yeah, look at the mileage, man. We're almost at 20K. About time for another oil change and to rotate the tires too. Let me set the phone down for just a second. But yeah, I mean, see, all you got is a tab there, and then that's really the only places that lock in is that piece there and that one there at the bottom. The rest, it just snaps right in. Maybe. I might have spoke too soon. Okay, here we go. And if I can do that with one hand, it should be a very, very easy task. Well, maybe, if I can get this. Okay, there we go. There we go. And you'll be able to tell if it's in there right, because if it ain't, your holes for your bolts aren't going to line up, or holes for your screws. But yeah, I mean, company hit me up and was like, you know, you want to be sponsored? And I'm like, shoot, yeah. Because I eventually plan on getting, you know, an older vehicle to do some mods to, because this thing, I'm running out of stuff to do to it as far as what I want to right now. So maybe once I get me something else, let me put these bulbs up, because I'm gonna definitely hold on, because these puppies were expensive. I think these are like 30, and the ones that Auxito, the ones that they sent me, are like 26, and honestly they look brighter to me. Let me get up in here. Oh. Let me put it in reverse and see what they look like now. Oh man, them things are stupid. Let me step back. I mean, that's in daylight. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave a link in the description to these, because I definitely give y'all updates on them just to see how they do. But I mean, shoot, dude, that's crazy bright right there. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Pull that out of. I hate the freaking electric parking brake. That's so crazy to me. But yeah, I had to take, because this one here was acting a fool on me, so I had to take it off, and I went out and took them both off. Don't mind the truck. Yeah, it's dirty, it's filthy. Been having to drive it 3 hours to work every day. Which is not fun, being that this thing drinks gas. But it costs to have a big truck, I guess, yeah. So, I think that's gonna do it for this video. If y'all have any questions on the lights, just drop a comment, shoot me a message on Instagram, TikTok, anything, and I'll get back with you. But that's gonna do it for this one. Peace.